Mesdames, yo eme sa ou baz. Yo eme lo ap pose yo bel ti kesyon pou fè ou pali pou ou pa senti yo raz le ap pala avon. Sa le dè pil ou baz. Pou fè yon semen ap ekran ou fòm epi senti le raz le ap ekran avon. Ben pou solusyon pou ou Loverboy. Mbote 5 bel kesyon pou pose yo fi wap pose. Wap evite fè senti le raz le ap ekran avon. Avan m kontinye, like video a kounya. Map Tony. Epi sou fèk tobe sou video sa. Bienvenue dans la communauté Loverboy là. Chaîne ça dédiée seulement avec vidéo qui a rapport avec séduction, relation femme avec garçon. Si vous êtes intéressé avec vidéo ça, abonnez pour pas rater rien sur nouveau vidéo que je vais poster.
I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. Oh, oh. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on cause I do